Hey everyone, it's Philippa of Flipcat Craft. Thanks for stopping by. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a little bit of an unboxing and it's from your creative studio, and I just wanted to share this with you. It's a box from last year. I think it's May. I'll have to double check. I'll put a link in the description. But it's one that I'm not a subscriber, but I have got a couple of their boxes before, and in fact this one's flowers, and the previous one that I really love is flowers, and this is like probably my favorite washi tape ever. So I was like, oh, you know, maybe there'll be something like that in there. So I'm hoping. And I also got an extra washi tape, and honestly I can't remember what it is. It's something floral. So this is separate, it's not part of the order, but I just wanted to open it up as well. So I'll start with that. And I have to say, I can't remember what it was. So this looks like another floral. It's not the same sort of vintagey sepia and pink floral, which I love so much. Which I have to say, I'm hoarding it, that other one, because I love it so much. But this one's actually very nice too. I do remember this now. Some roses and whatever. I don't know much about flowers, but yeah, very pretty. And seeing as I was ordering, I thought I'd get that. And I actually have two boxes, but I'll do them as separate videos, and I will put this one up first. And I actually ordered them like ages ago, way before Christmas, and you know, international post coming to Australia and everything, so they've just arrived, so I'm very excited. Now I will open up this box. Thank you for your purchase. The flowers are nature's love with, I can't read that even with my glasses on. I'll have to see if I can figure that out. Where wealth she dons her best or something, but I can't read it. Anyway, it's a nice card. Sorry, different colour scheme to the last one, which was kind of burgundies, but that might be an indication of what's to come, but I'll have a look. Now I'm just going to take this out. Oh, and move this box aside. Have a little bit more room. And then open this. And look, part of the reason I don't subscribe is because I have so much stuff I'm trying to use up, but occasionally you just need to do a little bit. I'm going to actually take it off the paper. Yeah. Occasionally you need to do a little bit of a refresh and give yourself some new things to use. Well, that's what I tell myself anyway. Alright, so this is a washi tape, and I don't think it's the same as the one I just opened. Maybe it is. Oh no, this is number 18. The one I opened before was number 16. You know what? That other first one I showed you that I got in the previous box, I have never seen that again. I do check the site from time to time in the hope that it's around, but it isn't. So this is another floral on a sepia background. I have a bit of an affinity with them, so that's very pretty. In fact, I reckon I could use, I mean, this is a slightly different colour tone. It's got a bit more herbal and stuff in writing, but I reckon you could probably use all three of those on the same thing. But yeah. So that's that one. Alright, this looks like a stamp. Oh, that's nice. It's a flower with writing and a little small stamp. Same flower, I think, but smaller version. Oh. And this looks like another stamp, a bigger one by the look of it. Yep. So that's a cluster of flowers by the look of it. Very nice. I don't know what this is. Lots of little cards. I'm just going to grab my scissors so I can open things. Time flies, I always miss you. And then on the back, I can't see any English. Right, so what do we have? Oh, okay. It's like sepia or transparencies. So we have transparent sheets here, different maps and advertisements and things like that, and similar, I don't know if they're the same. No, these are more advertisements. Full paper ones there. But there's some smaller ones inside, so let me just see if I can get those out. And these are little stickers. How strange. They're square and they're like on a kind of transparency or translucent. And they're just a mix of things. Some of them are like postage stamps or advertisements. I'm looking forward to having a play around with these. I have, other than the fact that they're stickers, I have no idea what they are. I mean, the texture is a little bit parchment-y on the front and very slick on the back. I guess because it's a backing to be removed. But that's all really cool and different. Okay. This one says postbox. Oh, it's in a book. Oh yes, faux postage stickers. Retro stamps. It's called Flower Moon. Yeah, so flowers and fruits. And the way it works is you would, I think, I guess you peel off the back. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. It looks like, I was thinking that it would peel off here, but it looks like you peel off the back. And yeah, that's lovely. It's by Wenshu. This is original design brand. Okay. That aside too. Retro labels. Had stuff by Smoking before, but in a box. I don't think I've seen one. Well, I haven't had one in this format. But as I said, I don't always get them. We have little labels, like clothing labels by the look of it, or dry cleaning labels or something. Tickets. And they're got sort of like a gold leaf on them, some of them. And there seems to be 2 of each. And they look like stickers as well. They're quite thick. And they're, maybe not, maybe they're just paper. I have to have a look. But they feel like stickers a little bit. Classic special paper, original design. No, they look like maybe they're just paper. Mind you, none of these have said stickers so far, so I will have to experiment with my sticky tape on the back to pull things up and see how that goes. Now, oh, this is we'll get one of these each box. It's like a transparent sticker, black and white sticker, or black ink sticker, transparent background, and it's themed with the box, like matches the stamps and things like that. And as you can see there, it's just on a clear background. And it's always a repeated design, so they're quite handy. And this is, oh goodness, something orchid. I don't know if these writing is really faint or if my eyesight's getting worse, but I cannot read these today. And mine's are really good writing as well. Right, so there's a little envelope inside this packet, so I can probably get rid of that one. Yep. Still incomprehensible. Oh, I see. Cards. These definitely feel like cards. Postcards. They're like kind of collagey ephemera bits. Very nice. Quite yellow toned. Oh, there's some pinks. There's a bit of a bird, butterfly, flowers. So we've got 2 of each, I think. Yeah, quite a few of those. They're lovely. Still can't read what it says, but you know. That's okay. Don't need to be able to read it to admire it. Now this looks like, yeah, this is one of the napkins that we get. I mean, usually 2 or 3. Maybe only one. I can't remember. It's been a while. Yeah, there's a couple. Single ply, so they're ready to use. 4, 5. 5 of them, single ply. Great for collaging, that kind of stuff. I'm just going to slide them back in so they don't get ruined or wet in any way. It gets sticky with glue and things that I've got. Mind you, I've just stuck it to the back of the sticky strip on the plastic bag, so you know, doing well here. Okay, so put that under there. Now these are the, oh, there's another sticker sheet, a clear sticker sheet. Floral, flowers and botanicals. And then these look like, oh no. Oh, that bit at the front is actually specs. I thought it was part of one of the designs, but no, I was wrong. Oh, right, yes, I saw someone had these, which is why I decided to get the box, and I can't for the life of me remember who it was. I watch a lot of videos. It might have been, and I don't think they were doing an unboxing. It was someone who had them and was using them in a project, and they said they got it from this particular box. And I was like, oh, I think I need them. It's really thin parchment kind of paper, and it's like I guess scans of handwritten letters, different handwritings, different coloured parchments. No two are the same. The pages are all a little bit raggedy. And this was actually why I sought this box out. I knew there was a reason, I couldn't remember what it was, but yes, this is it. This is so I could use these letters in making junk journals and ephemera. This is fabulous. Oh, look at that writing. That's big. That looks official. Dearest Mother, 1864. So this is not original ephemera. This is obviously copies because it's gone into everyone's pack, but it's beautiful. I love that. And I guess if you were looking to try and get some of this yourself without the box, it's called Ephemera. I don't know if it's sold separately somewhere, but if you were going to look, that's what you would be looking for. Just gorgeous. And then these are the 2 that are products of your creative studio as well as the cling stamps and the clear stickers. So this is the ephemera pack. Looks like it's got flowers and things this time. And it's interesting because the cardstock they're on is not white. It's kind of an off colour, kind of cream. And the back is white. As a contrast, you can see that's white. That's a more vintage colour. So we've got some banners, we've got plants, we've got flower heads, we've got flower bouquets, some tags, sprigs of flowers, oh, just beautiful. Now, as I said, I think this was the May box, which I guess is, you know, late spring in the US. I mean, I'm thinking, oh, autumn, but no, I'm in Australia. So those are, well, they kind of look like autumnal colours to me, but I'm guessing that they probably aren't supposed to be. But they're really lovely. And then here is the matching paper pack. And as usual, the card at the back is lovely and can be used for things as well. And we've got generally multiple copies of each design. It's like 3. So there's 2 regular, I mean finished paper, but regular, and there's a thicker one. I was just seeing if that's it looks like it's meant to be heavyweight. And oh, and a translucent one, like a tracing paper kind of one. So 4 of each design in different weights of paper. Yeah, 2 and a thick one, and then a vellum-y tracing paper kind of one. That's the green design. That's more of a feature framed kind of design. That's the small ones. And then we've got the larger size. So we've got floral collage style. Polka dots. Cross hatches. Bouquet with space in the middle. I mean, I always guess, you know, I never really know how to use these. I guess they're for putting a name or a congratulations or something like that in the middle, but I always look at that and go, yeah. In the past I've just cut them up on a collage masterboard and kind of use the blank bit down the middle as a blank strip elsewhere. I'll see if I can be more creative this time. There's the green ones, and then there's just a pattern one. It's like a brocade, damask brocade kind of style. Yeah, so there you go. Lots of really nice designs, and I love them, and I particularly love these papers. So that is from Your Creative Studio. Very excited that this turned up. I was actually hoping it might turn up over Christmas because I had a couple of weeks off work because it's summer here, but that didn't happen, so that's all right. It arrived at last, and I'm very excited. So thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you next time. Bye.